Sam fam? Aiden and I are on our way to the gym, but we are getting ready. We are in Oregon right now. This is our view. Wendell's and McDanks. We're starting our day off, but I'll see you guys soon.
Good morning, guys. So it is Friday. We got here yesterday. Alex just started the vlog for us. Yeah, so today is Friday. We were traveling all day yesterday. We woke up at like 2:30 a.m. left by 2:45. Actually, we woke up at like 2 a.m. left by 2:45, got on the plane at 5:40. Then there was an hour time difference and we were in Chicago at 7:20-ish, and then we had a layover until 12:30. Then we had a pretty much hour flight because we were supposed to get there at 2:55 p.m. Oregon time. We're in Oregon for a wedding, by the way. We didn't get here till like 4 because we had to stop in Omaha and get gas because there was a storm and stuff. So today we're going to a little pre-wedding brunch thing. I'm just wearing this romper. I think it's from Francesca's, and I just did my makeup and I did a slick back pony for my hair. Alex and his brother are working out right now, and then we're gonna get breakfast, and then this brunch thing is at like 12 to 3, I'm pretty sure. So it's only like 8, almost 9 o'clock right now. But yeah, this is today's look. Yeah, so I will keep on vlogging and keep you guys updated, but I'm using my new vlogging camera. How do you guys like it? How's it look? I'll check in with you guys in a little bit, and yeah. We're at the falls.
We're around so many mountains right now.
I know,
it's crazy. It actually is crazy. Well, every vlog we've had was like Disney or Tampa or like on an actual vacation. This is like in the woods.
Yeah, we're in the woods.
We're in the woods. You know what I'm saying?
Hello everyone, ignore the mess in the background, but we are wedding ready. So I'm just wearing this dress. It's from Windsor, and same with the jewelry. I got like a little matching set. I did my makeup. I didn't film doing it, but I just did what I always do, and some fake lashes. And then here's Mr. Alex. Come closer. Yeah. There he is. He's got
all the glory.
Yep, and his tie matches the color of my dress. So we're matching.
We're ready.
We're ready to go.
We're ready.
I was gonna film getting ready. I didn't end up doing that just because the bathroom's super small and it was kind of hard, but yeah, so I just did my makeup. I curled my hair, short and brown right now, and yeah, so we're about to head to the wedding. It's at 4. It's probably, what time is it right now? 3?
2, yeah, 3.
Pretty much 3, so we're about to head there, and it's an open bar for an hour, so whoop whoop, and then we're gonna actually go hit the bars. I'll probably vlog on my phone while we're there because I'm not gonna bring my whole camera situation, but yeah, we're super excited. We have 2 weddings to go to this year, so this is wedding numero uno. Say anything you want to add?
That I'm happy for Uncle Chris.
Yeah, we're so happy for the lovely couple, his uncle Chris and Alex. The girl is his uncle's soon-to-be wife in a few hours is also named Alex, so it gets a little bit confusing, but yeah. So we'll check in with you guys in a little bit.
What up, Sam fam? We're out in the wilderness today, in nature.
Cloud cap. There's a mountain, but we couldn't really get a picture. We got
6,000 feet tall.
So we're over here exploring. Tell them.
I didn't sign up for this.
I know.
Okay, no, it's fun. We haven't seen snow all year, so it's cool.
Yeah, we're trudging through the snow. I'm scared I'm gonna fall, so I'm wearing my Air Forces and he's wearing Yeezys, so it's not good, but yeah. We drove, we saw a really cool mountain. What's it called? I don't want to say
Mount Hood.
I have my like wedding hair from yesterday. It's crazy.
The wedding was super fun yesterday.
Yeah, we had so much fun. We didn't vlog at the wedding because we were too busy living it up. We had some wine and some rosé.
We're gonna
and we were dancing. We have a couple videos like from our phones. Maybe we'll stick those in the vlog montage. We're just walking, holding hands. So cute, right, Alex?
Oh yeah.
I'll come with you guys a bit. We're leaving tomorrow morning, so we'll see what the night brings us. Probably chilling at our hotel. Maybe we'll go do a little shopping or something, or go for a walk again.
Yeah, go for a walk or something.
Just to go check it out. But the area of Portland that we're in is kind of not the best area, so we will probably not be experimenting too much just because, you know, I don't know if it's the best area. But yeah, so we'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Say bye.
Bye, guys.
child.
Now my ass is.
Now what was that? Now what did that accomplish?
I did it 3 times.
Hey guys, so I didn't end the vlog when we got home, so the last clip I put in was us coming home to our little boys. So we got home 2 nights ago. We got home super late on Monday. It was almost Tuesday, but I'm here just ending. I chose Ice because I thought he would be quieter than Winston, because Winston is like grunt, 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 grunt when I pick him up. I'm just ending the vlog, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was our little trip to Oregon. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to check out my getting ready for the trip video, that was the last thing I posted, so yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Say bye, guys. This is Ice's vlog now.